Welcome to TechSphere. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how private companies are reshaping lunar exploration and turning the moon into a hub for future space endeavors. 2020s have witnessed an unprecedented shift in the way we approach space exploration, with private enterprises taking center stage. If you're as excited about these developments as we are, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to TechSphere and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in tech. The moon has always been a source of inspiration for humanity, but for decades, it remained largely unexplored after the Apollo missions. Now in 2025, the moon is experiencing a renaissance, driven by a mix of public and private efforts. The focus is no longer just on reaching the moon. It's about staying there and using it as a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. One of the most significant recent developments occurred in January 2025, when SpaceX launched 2 lunar landers aboard its reliable Falcon 9 rocket. These landers, developed by Firefly Aerospace and the Japanese company ispace, represent a new generation of lunar exploration. Firefly's Blue Ghost and ispace's Hakuto R Resilience lander are equipped with advanced technology to study the moon's surface and resources, paving the way for future missions. Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost lander is designed to explore the lunar soil and gather data on potential resources like water ice, a key component for sustaining long-term human presence. Water ice can be converted into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel, making it an essential resource for interplanetary travel. This mission is part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, which encourages private companies to innovate and deliver science and technology payloads to the moon. Meanwhile, ispace's Hakuto R Resilience lander is targeting the Mare Frigoris region, one of the moon's vast plains. This mission includes deploying a rover to analyze the composition of the regolith and search for traces of water. The findings from this mission will play a crucial role in determining the viability of the moon as a base for future exploration. These missions are just a glimpse of the larger trend, where private companies are stepping up to achieve what was once the exclusive domain of national space agencies. SpaceX is a leader in this new wave, with its reusable Starship rocket promising to revolutionize space travel. Starship is designed to carry heavy payloads and human crews to the moon, Mars, and beyond, with a focus on reducing costs and increasing the frequency of missions. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is another major player in this field. The company's Blue Moon lander is designed to deliver cargo and potentially humans to the lunar surface. It has a modular design, allowing it to carry scientific instruments, habitats, and even rovers. Blue Origin's vision aligns with NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence by the end of this decade. NASA itself has embraced the role of private companies in its lunar ambitions. Through partnerships with companies like SpaceX, Firefly Aerospace, and Astrobotic, NASA is accelerating its plans to explore the moon. These collaborations reduce costs and foster innovation, enabling NASA to focus on larger objectives like Mars exploration. Europe is also making strides in this area. The European Space Agency, ESA, is collaborating with private companies to develop technologies for lunar exploration. ESA has partnered with Airbus to create the European Large Logistic Lander, EL3, which will deliver supplies and equipment to the moon. In 2025, Germany is hosting the ESA Ministerial Council, where decisions on future space exploration projects will be made, with an emphasis on private sector involvement. The shift toward private-led exploration is not limited to American and European companies. The Exploration Company, a Franco-German startup, is working on the Nix spacecraft, designed to transport cargo and eventually humans to low Earth orbit and beyond. This international collaboration highlights the growing diversity and competitiveness in the space industry. Rocket Lab, originally known for launching small satellites, is expanding its horizons with the development of its Neutron rocket. This reusable rocket is designed for medium-lift payloads and could play a significant role in future lunar missions. Rocket Lab's approach demonstrates how smaller companies are finding niches in the broader space ecosystem, contributing to a more dynamic industry. Another exciting development is the concept of using the moon as an industrial hub. Scientists and engineers are exploring ways to extract resources like oxygen and metals from lunar soil. Technologies like in-situ resource utilization ISRU, are being developed to process lunar regolith into usable materials. For example, extracting oxygen from regolith could support life support systems for astronauts and serve as fuel for rockets, significantly reducing the need to transport resources from Earth. Private companies are also advancing technologies that enable longer stays on the Moon. Lunar habitats, powered by solar energy and equipped with advanced life support systems, are being designed to support human crews for months or even years. These habitats will be essential for establishing a permanent presence on the Moon and conducting scientific research. The Moon's potential as a stepping stone to Mars is another key driver of private sector interest. Companies like SpaceX envision using the Moon as a testing ground for technologies that will be crucial for Mars exploration. From developing reliable landers to perfecting life support systems, the lessons learned on the Moon will directly influence future missions to the Red Planet. The integration of artificial intelligence and robotics is also playing a significant role in modern lunar exploration. AI-powered systems can analyze data in real time, optimizing decision-making during missions. Robots equipped with advanced sensors are capable of conducting complex tasks, such as assembling habitats or exploring uncharted regions of the Moon. Looking to the future, the commercialization of the Moon could unlock new economic opportunities. Lunar tourism, for example, is a concept that has gained traction, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin proposing the idea of lunar flybys for paying customers. While this may still be in its infancy, the prospect of space tourism is becoming increasingly realistic as costs decrease and technologies improve. In summary, private companies are at the forefront of a new era in lunar exploration, bringing innovation, efficiency, and a spirit of collaboration that is transforming our approach to space. From SpaceX's reusable rockets to ispace's cutting-edge landers, these advancements are setting the stage for a sustainable human presence on the Moon. What do you think about the role of private companies in lunar exploration? Could their innovations truly transform the Moon into the industrial and scientific hub of the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.